Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Ratnamani. Ratnamani is the ticker name, and right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of Ratnamani, and here this is the historical price chart of Ratnamani stock, and these are all the technical indicators that I have deployed on this particular stock to do the analysis. You can see RSA, MACD, momentum, ADX, money flow, trade volume graphs here relate to this chart, relate to this stock. Now, if data here since 2012, and if you look at the historical price path pattern of Ratnamani, you can clearly see that after November 2013, the stock started moving up, and that time it made a peak price of nearly 811, and today the stock is trading at 900. So, and this stock has reached its peak price of 811 on February 2015. Okay, today this is 2017 November 8th, and what happened to this stock until recently? I mean, why it didn't cross? Is that the only peak price? No, I think in again in on April 2017, this stock made a peak price. Actually, it crossed that 811, and it made a very slight this thing. Nearly, it reached 835 on April 2017, and after that, again in August 2017, it went up to 975. Okay, and now it is trading at 892. Okay, so just by this discussion, I mean, you can clearly see that the stock is trying to make consistent new highs, but it is at a slow pace. Why? Because after 2015 peak price, it went in a sideways movement, and only recently in 2017, that means this year, it made two highs, one in April and another one in August, within a 4 month gap, right? And right now, again, this is in a consolidation phase, and it looks like the stock is about to move up. Uh, whether this is true or not, that we will see. Looking at the guiding points of the indicators, the stock has already crossed its 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average, and right now it is under the influence of positive super trend mode. All these three are good. Look at the RSA. RSA is peaking up. That means strength of the stock is good. And look at the MACD. The signal line is on top of the red line, though the gap between them is very small, and the histogram bars are populating on top of the baseline, but still most of them are in red. So MACD is like 50-50 kind of thing, and momentum is okay, it is playing on top of the zero line, but zero line is a baseline here, but still it is not I mean, it is going down actually. So the stock is lacking momentum at the moment. That we can clearly see here, because even the trend is also down, right? Now look at the ADX direction strength of the stock. It is increasing, it is rising actually, and but the green line and red line, I mean, these two, both the though the green line is on top of the red line, both are the I mean, they are maintaining a consistent gap, which is not good. And the direction strength of the stock is on the out of 100. If you ask what is the score for the direction strength, it is somewhat around 65 kind of thing. Okay, out of 100, that is the score we can give for a direction strength right now. Look at the money flow. Money flow is picking up very good, and the trade volume is also slowly rising, and that means people start believing that this stock is I mean, they started buying the stock actually. They kept on buying the stock, and now the volumes are increasing right now. So that is a belief in the stock. Okay, now if you look at the whole thing, if you take into consideration all these guiding points, now if you see whether the stock is good for long term investment, you can clearly say that this stock is good for long term investment, but due to lack of momentum and direction strength, the stock and even relative strength also, the stock is moving at a very slow pace, and right now it is on top of that, this stock is right now in the consolidation phase. So all these four elements are dragging down the stock at the moment, but the stock has future, and I mean, it is about to rise. I mean, it clearly looks from the historical price path pattern that it is about to make a new high within the next few months. So this stock can be considered for long term investment. That is the conclusion. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.